Okay, I'm not going to say what it is because, frankly, I've just said the name too many times. More on the power supply reassembly. Nice thing they did that should be acknowledged. There is a lock washer behind this ground here. There is a lock washer in front of it, and I just dropped the screw. That's not the screw, the nut down in there. And there's one on the lock nut itself, which is nice because that means that you have metal cutting into metal to get through the oxide coating that might be there from air or water vapor in the air, corroding or oxidizing these, which means that everything really gets a solid ground connection at that point. I've seen products, very terribly made products, from very nice companies that don't understand that there should only be one ground point. They have one over here, and they're like, oh, well, the chassis is grounded. But in one case, I had something that the company had then, somebody I guess in marketing maybe, had gone through and decided it should be blue, so they had powder coated it. And so the ground over here, say, was no longer really connected to the ground over there, which was just lovely. And they hadn't used lock washers or anything to cut through the oxide, and it was just bad. Now I know mechanically the fewer lock washers you can use, probably the better, because at some point you're adding play to the system, but I'm a fan. I'm just going to say it.